We have an indisputable update. I received an email that said Indisputable got charges dropped. Put up the picture full mass, and then I'm going to give you the video and the background as to what happened. You remember this story. That is Kianna Cooper. Here's what happened to Miss Cooper, and the update is all charges have now been dropped after we covered this. Here it is.
For Zulu Lima.
Oh my God, this is amazing. This is amazing.
How you doing? You got an ID on you, ma'am?
This is so amazing. Why am I giving my ID?
Because I asked for it.
Because you asked.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I no longer feel comfortable because I don't even have a problem
Okay,
here.
well, I'm asking you for ID. If you don't produce it, I'm going to take you to jail. Okay, so let me see your ID.
Do you hear this, Mom? Do you hear this, Mom?
Ma'am.
I'm waiting on my friend, and now I'm about to get arrested
Ma'am,
because I'm
not going to ask you again.
ID.
I'm not going to ask you again.
Do you hear this, Mom? He's not giving me a problem, or what did I do wrong? What did I do? These people can kill me, Mom.
I'm going to ask you one more time, and then I'm going to pull you out of the car, okay?
You're not pulling me out of nothing. Sir, please. Why are you being aggressive? Well, you're not going to fight me? You're not going to fight me. What are you doing? Stop. 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 Bro, you're not going to punch me. You're not going to punch me. You're not going to punch me. You're not going to punch me, bro. What's wrong with you? You just hit a woman and you asked for ID. What's wrong?
394, 394.
He just asked.
Officer's injured.
Put up the picture of the physical assault evidence on her body. That's what the cop did to her. Keep the picture up. Prosecutors have now dropped all charges against Kianna, who was falsely accused of assaulting a Broward Sheriff's deputy who arrested her on her birthday last year for refusing to present ID when asked for it. Ms. Cooper would no longer face felony charges of aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting an officer with violence. Ms. Cooper has maintained from the time of her arrest that the deputy, Stephen Davis, was the aggressor and the accountant, most of which was recorded on his body cam, May 7th, 2022. I had the pleasure of speaking with Ms. Cooper off record not too long ago. Let me give you a statement she gave us directly about her experience. Quote, "This officer, a BSO, ruined my life, my finances, and my physical abilities. Prior to this event, I had a clean record, free to get whatever opportunities suits me. Now I have to work part-time just so I don't miss court dates or a drug and alcohol test that gets called once a month randomly. It was a condition of bail. All in all, it has been a year and 3 months of my judge being switched, my court dates pushed back constantly, Officer Stevenson Davis of BSO lying under oath, more than 3 different stories, both on the scene, off the scene, and in court. A left leg and spine have his days where I'm in a terrible amount of pain to this day. Stephen Davis was completely negligent and uncivil by his approach towards me. I felt safe in my locked car." There's more. I was trying to give my ID. However, my birthday nails at the time, as well as the gift cards stacked behind my ID, was making it difficult for me to grab out of my wallet. Him not answering my question really deterred me from getting my ID, and I got scared and confused as to why he couldn't just answer my question. So I started talking to my mom to calm myself down and explain the situation to my mother. I want to remind everyone that when we first covered this story and received those exclusive elements, we were also able to highlight the fact that this same officer had a routine. He had an MO. He had done this to other people, simply parked doing nothing illegal, and then finding a reason to physically assault them and charge them with nothing other than resisting arrest. We were able to talk about that during the first time we covered it. There's more. There's always the monkey wrench. In a memorandum explaining the decision after prosecutor assistant state attorney Lindsay Carrier said Davis could have arrested Cooper for refusing to hand over the driver's license while he was investigating an assault complaint. But that was not Davis's rationale, according to his official reports and his testimony, because he knows it's BS, Attorney General. That's why he didn't put it in his official report. Quote, he reached into a vehicle, opened a car door, and removed her from her vehicle to prevent her from fleeing the scene. She summarized. The problem was there was no evidence that Cooper was trying to flee the scene, she said. The BWC does not capture Ms. Cooper attempting to start the vehicle or drive forward, she said. The assistant attorney general also said she would have struggled to prove it was Cooper who physically harmed Davis. You don't say, prosecutor. There is no clear moment in the body cam video showing Ms. Cooper causing such an injury. And Davis's own comments were inconsistent. First, he said Cooper bit his lip. Then he said he was mistaken and that she scratched him. She didn't bite me, she scratched him. Davis was also challenged on what he saw when he arrived at the scene. In one of his sworn statements, he said he observed Cooper, quote, gesturing at bystanders as well as threatening them with bodily harm or violence. What? Carrier wrote in her summary. None of the witnesses interviewed for the case corroborated that account, and it's not captured in the body cam footage, she noted. Seeing no reasonable likelihood a jury would find Ms. Cooper guilty. Prosecutor announced a nol pros in court Monday through her attorney. Cooper declined comment. So a direct source with ties with the family said, and I quote, "We have so much to say to you regarding how the lawyer, judge, and state handled us during the process. The state attorney also would like to speak with us as we have gotten news that there were some unfair practices going on during her trial." They also said this, quote, "I want to thank you, Dr. Rashad, and the whole TYT network. I am pleased to say if the airing of your video did not take place, please, Kianna Cooper's case would have not been resolved properly," end quote. Put up the sheriff. Sheriff, you've actually done some noble things. I've covered those noble things on this show. You know he's a bad cop. I know you know this. You know he's dangerous. But beyond that, you know why. You know why he does what he does. That's Sheriff Gregory Tony of the Broward County Sheriff's Office. He's been elected since 2019. Keep his picture up. Sheriff, the attorney could prosecute the deputy, but maybe she does not have, let's just say, the fortitude, the strength to do so. Sir, I have seen you arrest your own men and women inside of your department. I have seen you do this. Your officer lied under oath. It is clear in the evidence multiple times, not just once. He signed a sworn affidavit, swearing and attesting on the penalty of perjury that these things are factual. If you do a review of his previous affidavits, I promise you, you will find he lied some more. He has not been charged with violation of oath of office, and he should be, filing a false report, and he should be. And the fact that he criminally assaulted a citizen should give you every gateway you need to investigate everything in his past. Sheriff, I encourage you to quickly do the right thing so we can provide a proper update.